Heather, take us through the shelter.
So this is the front door, and this leads us into a nice big square space where there is plenty of room for our table and chairs, or you could set up a little kitchen in here, or you could in fact sleep in it if you wanted to.
Right, so you're almost 5'8". Stand in the middle. Right, so you're almost 5'8". Okay, and there's plenty of room for someone well above 6'5" to stand in there, isn't there?
Yes.
And we've had a table and a camping table, and 2 of our substantial camping chairs in there, haven't we?
Yes.
Right.
And
so
what's nice about it is it's got a window on all sides with a mosquito net, so we can lower these curtains and you can look out. So if you want a 360,
so open the curtain for me.
You want a 360-degree panoramic view, you can have that.
So it looks clear, but actually that's a mosquito net.
So there's a mosquito net here. And in fact, this entire end lifts up completely, so you can attach it as an awning onto a caravan or a car.
So Heather, we've put it up in the garden, but tell me what we haven't done.
So we haven't put the guy ropes out and pegged it down entirely, because we've just popped it up today to waterproof it. So it obviously it's not staying up after it's dry.
But if you wanted, if the wind was a bit windy, you could put the guide ropes up.
You could, and there's one of these on each
corner.
corner.
On each corner.
Yes.
Brilliant. And if we needed to, we could add an additional guide rope here and maybe storm guide if we needed to. So just a few minutes to put up.
Yes.
Right. Okay. Brilliant. Where do you think we're going to use this?
We use this as a kind of evening sit-in shelter where it might be a bit windy, or maybe even in the rain, sit out of the elements.
Yeah. Even when it starts cooling down in the summer evenings, if we go to France or something like that. So this is the Quechua Arpenaz Base M shelter. Thanks, Heather. If you like this video, please click like, then comment, share and subscribe.